Hello my dear students, today I'm here to make a video that will help you to memorize a table which include values of trigonometrical ratios. So most of the students find it very difficult to memorize the value of this all 6 trigonometrical ratios. So I'm going to show you the process through which you don't need any calculator or nothing, no need to memorize the whole table. So you can easily find out the values of each ratio. So let's get ahead. First of all, I'm using a pencil so that it will be helpful for you. You can see here 0 degree, there are total 5 degrees I'm dealing with. So 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. So sine and cos, tan, cosec, sec. So I'm going to start with the sine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Simply I'm going to write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and all number I will divide by 4. See, I'm dividing all the numbers by 4 and the next step I'll keep a root in all the numbers. You can see I'm keeping root in all the numbers. Now let's write the final answer. This is just a rough sketch, so I used a pencil. Now 0 upon 4 is 0. Whatever the numbers that divides the 0, it always comes 0. So square root of 0 will be 0, right? Now the next step is 1 by 4. So root under 1 by 4 is 1 root 1 is 1 and root 4 is 2. So it will come 1 by 2, right? Likewise, here also 2 by 1 means 2 by 4 is, we can cut with 2, so it will come 1 by 2 and root under 1 by 2 will come 1 by root 2, right? Likewise, in the 60 also it will come 60 degree also root 3 by 2. Similarly 4 by 4 is 1, root 1 is 1. I hope now these values are very clear to you. 0, 1 by 2, sine 45, 1 by root 2, sine 60, root 3 by 2 and sine 90 is 1. So this is how you memorize the degree value of sine. Now how do you memorize the value of cos? This may be the question. So in this case it's quite simple. We are going to simply reverse all the values of sine. For example, from last we will write here. So last is 1. So 1 I will write here. Second last is root 3 by 2 and of course this will not change, its place became same. And then first we write this followed by this and third is this. So what about the fourth? Fourth is 1 by 2 and the last one is 0. Now you can see the sine 0 degree is cos 90 degree. So cos 0 degree is sine 90 degrees. So all the values are reversed. This is how you can identify sine and cos values, right? Now once you are done with sine and cos values, you can easily find out the values of tan, cosec, sec and cot with the help of another formula. Now okay, so first of all I have one more paper. Here I have written a formula of all, like tan is, so we are using only those formula which are related to sine and cos. See, tan is sine by cos, right? Cot is 1 by tan also, but we are not using this formula. We are using cos by sine. Cosec is 1 by sine. Sec is 1 by cos, right? Why I am using this one is because it's so easy to find out the value of sine and cos, isn't it? Now we can find the value of tan. For example, if you want tan 0 degree, then what we'll do, we'll use this formula. So instead of tan 0 degree, we'll write sine 0 degree by cos 0 degree. Now we can see what is the value of sine 0 is 0 and cos 0 is 1. So let's write it. Sine 0 degree is, you can see 1, so 0 divide by 1. Now can you tell me the value 0 divided by 1. Previously also I told you, whatever the number divides 0, it will come 0, right? So tan 0 is 0. Now we can write here 0. Now let's go for tan 45. Okay, what do you think? How to find it? Tan 45 means sin 45 by cos 45, right? Okay. So sin 45 is 1 upon root 2. Another is also 1 upon root 2 cos 45. So when we apply the reciprocal, this all will cut and it will remain only 1. So tan 45 is 1. This is how in exam time, if you forget some formulas, then you can easily find out. Now let's go a quick review on the tan 60 degree. You can see tan 60 is sin 60 by cos 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and cos 60 is 1 by 2. So when we apply the reciprocal rules, root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. So which will come root 3. We can write tan 60 is root 3, right? Similarly, we can find other values of tan 30 and 90 as well. Here you can see cosec 45. Now how do we find the cosec 45? Let's look the formula. Cosec formula is cosec is 1 by sine, right? So what we are going to do is 1 by sine. So instead of cosec 45, we are going to write 1 by sine 45, right? Which means sine 45 means we know it's 1 by root 2. Again, when we apply the reciprocal rules, then this root 2 will go up. So root 2. We can write cosec 45 is root 2, right? Likewise, let's go for the sec 60 degree. Sec means we know that sec is 1 by cos 60 degree. So what is the value of cos 60 degree? Yes, it's 1 by 2. Again, when we apply the reciprocal rules, this 2 will go up. So 2. So sec 60 is 2, right? Now let's go for the cot. I told you there is cot has two formulas. One is 1 by tan. If you know the tan value, then directly you can use this formula. But if you don't know, then you have to use the cos and sine. Then cos 0 degree by sine 0 degree. Now you can see again what is cos 0 degree means 1 upon sine 0 means 0. Now can you tell me the value of 1 upon 0? Yes, infinite. So whatever the numbers, if it divides by 0, then it will come infinity. So cot 0 is infinite. So by using these all formulas, you can fill all the gaps. See, you can easily fill all the gap. I'll show you two more examples. You can see cot 60 also. Cot 60 means cos 60 by sine 60. Cos 60 means 1 by 2. Sine 60 means root 3 by 2, which is 1 by 2 into 2 upon root 3. So this is the reciprocal rules. We call it as a reciprocal rule. If you are confused, then we can say A by B by C by D. It will be, if we follow the reciprocal rule, then it will be A by B into D by C. This last D will go up. Okay, so it comes D by C. So our value will be 1 by root 3. This is of cot 60. You can easily write the cot 60 is 1 upon root 3. Likewise, we can easily find out sec 30, which means 1 by cos 30. So cos means 1 by root 3 by 2. Again follow reciprocal rule. Last one will go up. So 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. That means among these all value, you can find out all the values very easily. You can find out tan 30 by using sin 30 by cos 30. Likewise 90, this all gap you can fill. Now let's try to fill all the gap. Try by yourself once, you will get it. And I hope this is very simple to understand and you have understood the better. Please let me know whether you have understood or not, and whether it's easy or not for you. Let me know, and take care. Bye bye.